Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here, with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna mess with the Studio Fix Tech Cream to Powder Foundation. So if you want to see how this foundation work, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done, and we're gonna talk about Miss, this foundation from M.A.C. I don't really use a lot of M.A.C stuff on my channel anymore. I just feel like they don't come up with like a lot of new stuff, and I don't want to get too attached to things because they tend to discontinue things a lot. So yeah, so let's talk about this. This is the cream to powder foundation. Actually, my mom was the one I see using this, and I'm like, let me buy it and kind of test it out on my channel, like, let's see how it works. Let's hide that brush strap. So it has 42 shades. It's $40. So another, kind of up there on price, but again, I give a high end and a low end and a high end and a low end. Kind of mix it up a bit. And this shade range is not terrible. They have dark, deep dark, light to medium, and medium to light. I think no, medium to dark. So that's not crazy. It's actually a pretty good shade range. It's a medium buildable coverage, natural matte finish, transformation cream to powder texture, and long wearing, 12 hours, color true, no caking, no fading, sweat and humidity resistant, crease resistant, provides immediate and long-term moisturization, does not cause acne, and for all skin types. That's a lot of claims. So yeah, so let's jump into her. Let me get my blush. This is a Zoeva 104 buffer brush. What is my shade? NC42. Oh, that's a pretty good shade range or shade match. Can still see it's a medium to buildable coverage. I don't know. Is this matte? So it says matte. So I should be able to not wear any powder with this, but yeah, that's not gonna happen. Although it's winter time and it's not crazy. I don't know. I feel like this color is a little bit light. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy, but kind of just stippling it. And yeah, this color is this shade is a little bit light. Just a little bit. Not crazy, but it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna pass my brush in there again. I'm gonna go like right here and right here, because that's where I kind of have like freckles. I feel like I have freckles and then some skin types. I don't know. I think I need to look into taking those off. But before I do this, I need to like record, crazy amount of videos. Cause I see a girl did it on TikTok. I mean, she had a lot more than I do, but it was like crazy. I need to use a light concealer. This is what, light to medium sand, and this is from Tarte. No touch up tip. OG. Oh wow. This is enough. This is white. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead, go out, do my 2 check-ins as usual, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on how this foundation works, how it performs, how it lasts. You already know the whole shebang. So see you guys later.
no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she ice. Freeze, photo, please.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. Look at this. I'm like crazy close to the highway. So I don't know. The foundation still looks good. My face looks hella match. Yeah. I don't know. Outside it's kind of chilly though, so I feel like I'm not hot. And right now I've only been wearing this foundation for about 2 hours, so I'm not sure. Like we'll see, you know, after I've been wearing it for like a long period of time, how it's actually gonna, you know. But apart from that, like everything looks really good. Foundation, you know, good. Eye look is lay in, you know, it's lay in. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, I'm liking how the foundation is laid. I don't know, like I just will see. I still have to set this foundation, even if it says it's like a cream to powder formula, because I don't trust that. So I still have to set everything, but everything still looks good. Good. So yeah. So I will give you guys one more check-in on my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you guys later.
Out of luck, now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she ice. Freeze, photo.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in before, you know, I give my final thoughts on this foundation. So everything is still looking good. I have a little bit of shiny right here, but nothing crazy. Yeah, still, you know, hanging in there. Pretty good, you know. Lips gone as usual because I'm always eating something, right, when I do these videos. But I don't have any cracks or anything. I look like I have a little bit of separation right here, but nothing crazy. So yeah, so right now I've been wearing this foundation maybe 5-6 hours. So I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you guys later.
Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
Hi guys, so I'm back and ready to give my final thoughts on this foundation. So my overall thing is this foundation terrible? No. However, if you look at it like right here, like what happened right here? I literally have no foundation. Like everything is gone. Like it's so gone. But the rest of my face that has like foundation, it's like it's literally like I have like barely like any grease or anything like that. So it's really like it's really good on the parts that it stayed, but I don't know what happened here. I don't know if I rub on something or I did eat, so I don't know if I wipe like this. But yeah, this is like gone. But around my mouth here is still there, so I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I had like Indian food, so maybe, and I had to like dip my naan in there. So I don't know if in dipping it's kind of drippy and then I wipe it. That could be the case because the rest of my face looks really good. Like everything is really good. So I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened, but everything else looks amazing. That foundation is $40. Sometimes M.A.C has sales, so they have 25%, so they have 30% off. Sometimes they have like 40% off on their foundations. I think that is when I bought this foundation, because I bought for me and I bought for my mom, because again that was her thing, and I was like, oh, let me try it for my foundation Friday. So if M.A.C is having a really good sale and you get that foundation for $20-$25, give it a try. It's something, you know, to run and get. No, you could try the House Labs. There's quite a few other foundations out there that's high end, that's so much better. So if you wanted to try one of those, like I would recommend those instead of the M.A.C one. But if you want to try the M.A.C one, I would just wait for it to go on sale. I wouldn't try to buy it for $40. I think like for $40, it's not worth it. So yeah, so that's it guys for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she free.